Hello, welcome back to Cooking with Reagan. I am here at A&J Pizza with Mr. Yanez. How are you doing today?
I'm doing well.
And today, we're going to be able to make two pizzas. Two pizzas, guys. Amazing. We're going to get an old world pizza and a regular, just traditional pizza, right?
Yep, that's right.
All right.
You can do the regular cheese and old world pizza.
All right, well, I hope you're all excited. Let's do this.
All right.
Alright, so the first and most important step, I would say, of making pizza, right, is the crust. Because no one just wants sauce in their hand. I mean, no one really wants sauce in their hand. So we are going to learn how to, what's the word? Knead, spread of pizzas?
No, let's get stretch it.
Stretch out a pizza.
A pizza.
So let's do this. Alright, so. Alright.
Okay. Make sure you have good flour on it. Alright. On both sides. Right? So after this we need to make like the crust. Right? So the crust you put your fingers in and push it down. Okay? Just like this. And then turn it and try to not touch the crust around. Okay? Because you make it, you know, with your fingers you make it the crust. Just like that. There we go.
I think I touched that.
Yep,
Too
yep.
much.
That's good.
Alright, that's good.
Okay, yeah. And then go like this. Okay, on the middle you had to push it down. Everything here. Alright, you don't have to worry about it on the middle. Alright?
Alright.
Okay. So then I put a little bit flour over here, that way it doesn't stick on the stick, right? On the peel. So you gotta flip it, yeah. And then with your finger, you gotta stretch like this, slowly. Make sure your finger stuck over here on the cross and stretch. At the same time, you have to turn. All right, turn the dough. Exactly. Just like that. There we go. Nice. Oh, you got it. There you go. See?
So afraid I'm gonna cut like.
Don't worry about it. You need to stretch the dough. You have to stick the finger in, and that's it. Okay. Now, the next step. It's a little bit hard, but at the same time, you know, you can pick it up with your both hands like this. With your fingers, you got your hands. You got both your hands. All right. Now, we need to stretch it, right? Follow me with this. I hold it and I stretch with this one. Yeah. Okay. Now I jump. There we go. And I stretch it.
All right.
And jump again.
Always want to learn how to do
Yep.
this.
That's fine. Okay.
All right. So stretch it. And then send it like that.
You got it.
All right. And stretch it again.
Yep. Just like that. Now, okay. We have to make sure, you know, always we have flour over here on the peel, right? So that way it doesn't stuck. So yours is fine. Now, you need to put the sauce. Okay. Okay. Make a little bit of sauce. Put on the top. Just mix it on there. See some water. Okay.
Makes sense.
There you go.
This
Put that much. Yeah.
all right. Like put it
Right in the center.
right in the center. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Okay. Now you have to
Spread it around.
Yeah, spread it around, but make sure you hold it like this. That way you can do it.
Got it.
Everywhere. Just respect the cross, okay?
Just like around the center.
You got it, yeah. Everywhere. Maybe more over there on that side. Good. Okay.
Thank you very much.
I haven't made too much of a mess yet. That's good.
That's fine. Pizza doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so done. Now you got to put the mozzarella cheese on it.
All right. It's just like
Yeah, you spread your hands and make it full hand, but break the cheese before you put it on. Okay. There you go.
that.
All of it. You can put all of it.
I'll grab it.
Yeah, that's fine.
Some very cheesy spots on this.
Yep.
Right.
what you can do is just spread it like this. See? That's awesome.
More is that good?
That's it. That's good.
All right.
If you need extra cheese, you have to put more.
All right.
But for me, I think that's okay. Right? Now, the hardest part is to put in the oven.
All right.
That's the hardest part. So let's try it. Okay.
All right. So as we learned from the first episode, I have a very interesting relationship with the oven. This oven's a lot bigger than mine, but I forgot all my protective safety oven equipment, so I'm just not gonna burn myself. So I've been told to do that. Right? Okay, get blow under the crust, right?
Yep.
Is that
Go
good?
closer it up. There we go.
And then,
Okay.
all right.
You got it.
Just do that.
There we go. That's nice. You got it.
And just close the oven.
Yep. You gotta close it like this. There. Awesome.
I didn't burn myself yet. So how long should this take?
Well, let's wait around 7-8 minutes and
Alright.
see how is it,
Got it.
and then we can, decide another extra minute.
Alright, well, so now we're making a second pizza because we have really gracious hosts here who are letting us make 2 pizzas. And I've been told that this pizza we are about to make is an old world pizza, which is provolone cheese under sauce. It's gonna be exciting. Alright, so what cheese do I use?
Yeah. Okay. So what you need to do is put the flour on it. Okay. Now put the pizza over here.
Ya están aquí por los dos sus
Almost here. That's right.
Alright.
Yep. Now put the garlic all the way around
it?
Yep. All the way around.
Alright, that good?
That's good. Perfect. Now oil. That's olive oil.
Just like a circle around it?
Yeah. Yep. Everywhere.
Alright.
And then we have to put provolone cheese. Alright. So what you do like this and continue like that.
Stack it.
Yep.
Got it. And
Okay, you need to put 5 pizzas. This is 2 of 1 over here. Okay, the other one 5. Okay. Like this. Okay, that's the whole world. Now we need to put the sauce on top.
Okay.
This one needs a lot of sauce on it.
Got it.
Okay. A lot of sauce. Just make around. And that's it. You can do exactly the same that you did with the other one. Alright, put in the oven.
Do we have to wait till that one's out about?
No, you can put it on. So, there you go. Alright. Right there. There you
Get
go.
it?
There you go.
That?
Nice.
Man, I haven't burned myself yet. This is a pretty good day, and the first pizza looked like it's gonna be done soon. So we'll see you soon. All right, so the first pizza is done. Is it on the right side? No. Yes, it is on the right side. So again, oven, a very scary place. So just gotta go and like that. All right, first try. Pull it out. That's hot. And then right on the pan over here. All right.
Voila.
First pizza's done. So now we just wait for the second one, and people get to eat it. Delicious. All right. So the second pizza is about done. So we're gonna get this out of the oven. Haven't burnt myself again. I'm on fire. Not literally though, because I would do that. So we get this. First check. Get it out of the oven. Don't drop it. That's an important step, I imagine. And then now we get here. Both are looking pretty delicious. We have the old world pizza right here. Provolone cheese on the bottom, sauce on the top. Delicious, right? And then we have just a regular pizza. A regular pizza. And this is mozzarella cheese and sauce. So now we get to eat it. Yum.
this one better than that one.
All right. So go.
I'm not gonna lie, it's not as it usually is. Semi-decent. That's definitely
How many yums out of 10 would you rate this pizza?
a 6.
All right.
Maybe even a 7.
All right.
Hold on, I have one for this one.
You want me to redo mine then one?